Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's me, Smith0653, bringing. I'm gonna put it back only. It's me, Smith0653, and he's the man 231, bringing you a video in like a long time. Like we're going to 6th grade now, so yeah, woot woot.
We started off in 4th grade, so.
What? Yeah. No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah, we started doing videos and wait, I want to see something.
I want to see.
Oh, they can hear me through this. Watch.
Either that or my computer.
No, don't talk. Don't talk.
That's not possible.
Oh.
Alright, but anyway,
next,
well, actually, me and him are going to be doing Payphone. He's going to be doing the rap part, and I'm going to be doing the regular part.
Alright, let's do this.
So, my voice may be a little bit stranded, but, you know, I might as well try it again.
I'm doing rap, because I'm awesome. I got this mic on.
Dude, plug it in! Hang on.
I don't like you sometimes.
Hang on. Just hang on. I'm out of Payphone, trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even hard to remember being you next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it ain't too late to try. And all the time that's been wasted, all of our bridges been down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called in love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm out of Payphone. Oh, Ethan, your turn. Dance on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Another fairy tales are full of it. One more super love song, I'll be sick. This is turn your back on tomorrow, but you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, and you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm second right, still stuck in that time when we got in love. But even the sun sets in paradise. Payphone, trying to cut home on my change I spent on you. Where have the plans gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all them fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm out of Payphone. Man, work that shit. I be all spending all this money when you sitting around wondering why you came out nothing. Late to the bottom, see me, I'm stunting. All cars on a little push of a button. Tell me it's chaseable up or whatever you call it. It's your number to the phone, never could call it. Leave my name on my shirt, you can tell when I'm on. Switch, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a pretty good game, to make the last shot, so you celebrate the top. She could've saw, sad to say it's over for. Phantom roll of valet, open doors. Wish I would've ring, got what here looking for. That's me, so you know what? Don't take it with you. I'm out of Payphone, trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the plans gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. And one more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm out of Payphone. And that was Payphone by Maroon 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. And
we'll be making more because we have all night.
Yup. Bye. Bye-bye.